Come on over. Let me tell you all about it. The main thing, local, seasonal produce, with just the right amount of sunshine, rain and cold. Then the produce is ripe for picking and it's fiesta time. These are sensations, emotions, as if each mouthful fills your palate with music, with colours. The ingredients? Take note. Green, all the greens and the breeze that stirs the leaves. The 1,000 shades of white. The spiciness of red. The light of gold and silver. A touch of sophistication with purple. Blue and yellow. Space. 10,421 square kilometers. Varied scenery, something for every taste. Diverse climates, centuries of history, some stories, a few songs, hundreds of thousands of persons and the method. Working with our hands, with grace. Hands that select, mix, pamper and make a toast. To tradition and innovation, to the tangible and intangible, to feelings and senses, to those present and to those to come. And the final touch? Gaiety, lots of it, as much as possible. Try it. What does the fiesta taste of? What does it sound like? It's simple. The recipe is Navarra.